How to create Skrill account. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can create a Skrill account. Note that it's very simple. Just ensure that you watch this video to the end, following the procedures so that you can know how to do it. Now, the first step is to log in, is to open your mobile device and then ensure you have the Skrill application installed on your mobile device. Then once you have that done, just click on the app to open it up. And then once you click on the app and it is opened, this is the first thing it will bring to you. And then you'll be asked to log in or register. So you just click on register since you don't have an account. Then after clicking on register, the box will be displayed asking you to select the email address that you would want to use to register. So for me, I'll be making use of this Google account, and then I'll wait for it to load. Then once it's done loading, you'll be brought to the page where you have to input password as well as country, region, and all of that. And then you are advised to use a strong password to avoid your account from being hacked, and then click on register. Then you wait patiently for it to load as well. Once it has loaded, you'll be asked to verify your email address. So what do? You have to go to your email. Once you get a notification, click on it, click on the email that is sent to you by Skrill, and then open up the email to confirm your registration, and then click on confirm email. Then once you've done that, you'll be redirected to another page where you can continue the registration process. Okay, so once that's loaded, you can see an address or an information telling you that thank you for verifying your email. You can now log into your new account. So you can now go back to the application, then click on go to login. Alright, then once you're done, you'll be brought to this page. Just wait patiently for everything to load. Alright, once it's done loading, a verification code will be sent to you, so you can just go ahead and copy the code, then paste it and go ahead. You can decide to enable fingerprint if you want, or you can decide to enable your pin, whichever one. I'll be using pin instead. And then once you're done, okay, then you can now click on login, and then that is it. An account has been created. All right, so this is how you can go about it. This is how you can go about creating an account on Skrill. Go ahead and try it out today.